Okay, today we're going to create a visual that will help us to solve equations. In the kingdom, an ambassador carries what they call diplomatic pouches. The contents of the pouches are unknown, and they're only known by the ambassadors. But since the pouches are the same size, they would both contain equal amount of coins. If you look on this left side of the equation, we have 2 diplomatic pouches, and we also have 4 coins. This is going to be equal to these 8 coins. And what we're trying to figure out is how many coins are in each pouch. Well, if I know I have these 4 coins, and I can have the same number of 4 coins here, I could actually take those 4 and remove them. Or I could just take them out. Because if I take away 4 coins on one side, to keep balance, I would take 4 coins away on the other side. And now on this side I have 4 coins that are left, which I have to equally divide into these 2 pouches. So if I have 2 pouches here, I can group these 4 coins into equal parts of 2, which then shows me each pouch would have 2 coins. Okay, so now how can we show that mathematically using equations? Well, for the pouches, I can consider those my variables, like x, because I really don't know what's in them. They're my unknowns. So if I have an x and an x, that'll give me 2 x's. I also have these 4, notice that they're positive coins. This is set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coins. So what I have here, I've created an equation. I have an algebraic equation with numbers and a variable. I want to go ahead and isolate my variable and solve the equation. So the first thing that I did here was, in order to get the pouches alone, I went ahead and took these 4 coins and these 4 coins out. So I subtracted out 4 coins. Well, I could think of that also as the opposite of adding 4 is subtracting 4. So if I subtract 4 coins on one side of the equation, I must do that to the other. Now that left me with my 2 bags left. And when these 4 coins were out, and these 4 coins were out, I ended up with just 4 coins. So to find out how many coins are in each bag equally, I divided these 4 coins into groups of 2. So notice I have 2 multiplied by x. And to undo multiplication, I would divide by 2. In order to keep things balanced, I would have to divide by 2 on the other side. 2 over 2 is 1x, which is just x. And that equals 4 divided by 2, which is 2. So each bag contains 2 coins. My x equals 2. So how many inverse steps did I have to do to solve the equation? Well, here's the beginning amount. I had to do subtraction property of equality, and I had to do division property of equality. Therefore, I have created and I have solved a 2-step equation.